Imagine a world reshaped by the devastating aftermath of nuclear war. Cities reduced to ashes, landscapes cloaked in radioactive winter, and humanity forced to adapt to unimaginable conditions. In this video, we will take you on a journey through time, from the immediate effects of nuclear devastation to humanity's fight for survival and eventual resurgence. Each chapter explores the resilience of nature, the birth of new societies, and how evolution might redefine the future of humankind. Let's dive into this chilling yet thought-provoking glimpse into a post-apocalyptic world. The detonation of a nuclear weapon instantly obliterates everything within its vicinity. Temperatures in the epicenter reach millions of degrees, vaporizing structures and life in moments. Shock waves radiate outward, destroying everything in their path, while radioactive fallout spreads across vast distances. This marks the beginning of a new and terrifying reality. The immense amount of debris and ash ejected into the atmosphere blocks sunlight, causing global temperatures to plummet. Crops fail and ecosystems collapse. With resources rapidly dwindling, survivors face starvation, freezing conditions, and rampant diseases. Societal structures begin to unravel as chaos takes hold. Survival becomes a daily battle as communities fracture and resources become scarce. Radiation sickness claims countless lives, and those who survive face relentless challenges. With no access to modern technology or infrastructure, humanity's fight for survival grows increasingly desperate. A decade after the disaster, radiation levels begin to decline, but the environment remains hostile. Mutations appear in plants and animals, reshaping ecosystems. Small groups of survivors cling to life, adapting to the harsh realities of their new world. Survivors begin rebuilding, forming small cooperative communities. Agriculture returns as a cornerstone of survival, and trade networks emerge. Old technologies are forgotten, replaced by simpler, more sustainable ways of living. Humanity starts to recover step by step. With human activity diminished, nature begins to heal. Plants and animals thrive in the absence of industry and pollution. Entire cities become engulfed in greenery, transforming into new ecosystems. Humanity witnesses the resilience of the natural world firsthand. Humanity harnesses sustainable energy and embraces minimalist living. Education and collaboration become the foundation of these new societies. Communities prioritize environmental stewardship and learn from the mistakes of the past. A century after the nuclear apocalypse, humanity has evolved, both biologically and socially. New technologies coexist harmoniously with nature. Lessons learned from the past ensure a sustainable future, where humans live in unity with the planet and each other. The story of survival and recovery after nuclear war is a testament to the resilience of humanity and nature. It is a cautionary tale of the devastating consequences of conflict and a reminder of the importance of peace and sustainability. What steps can we take today to ensure this future remains a story and not a reality? Share your thoughts and what you would like to see the next content. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.